All right, let's get to our calls of the day. I'm going to make you wait a second for this stock that's up 90% in a year, because I first want to do one that got double upgraded today, Brenda, by Bank of America. Price target goes to $325, and that is Sherwin-Williams, a stock that you own. Think about this call. Late, but still okay?
Yes, I would agree. It's a little late, but I think it is still okay. I mean, we saw last year, a huge growth coming from consumers buying paint and repainting. It was an easy fix for staying at home. Still think that the investment in homes is not done yet. And with Sherwin-Williams, we should see a shift towards more contractor sales. Certainly the housing starts numbers that we've seen have been supportive of that. So we do continue to think that there is going to be another leg to the story here, perhaps. And, think that as things shake out and we all decide who's actually going to be working from home permanently or not, or how often they're going to be, I think that people's homes are going to be, a continued place of investment. And, paint is an easy place to invest, relatively low cost. So we continue to think this is a great story.
Okay, we will watch that one. And another stock you own is UPS. Pete, you own it too, upgraded to overweight at JP Morgan today. The price target to 243 from 224, 20% upside from here. That is the one that's up 90% in 1 year. Okay, maybe this one's a little bit late too if you're upgrading it to buy now and you're raising the price target to where you are today. But what do you think about this call?
I think they are a little bit behind on this, Scott, but this is a company that just came off one of the, actually the best earnings report that they've ever had. So it wasn't in the fourth quarter, it wasn't the holiday quarter, and yet they continue to produce. I think that you can look at FedEx, you can look at UPS. There are some differences, there's no doubt about it, but both having an extraordinary year, extraordinary performance, and I think UPS has plenty of more room to the upside. That being said, I do think it's a little bit late, because even though I think there is some room to the upside, when you look at the multiple and you look at the fundamental side of this story, I think that it's got room, but it's not a whole lot of room. As a matter of fact, if it reached up a few more, 10% or more, I think I might have to be out of there.
Oh, okay. All right. You let us know.
Yep.
Steve Weiss, you have a pretty big position in XPO.
I do, and XPO would have been up 10% yesterday, but the UPS analyst day was disappointing. I thought it was fine. XPO is breaking two companies. One is going to be GXO, the other is going to be XPO. And what's good about it is right now it's not investment grade. GXO will immediately be investment grade, and XPO shortly thereafter. One will be the freight side, and GXO will be the logistics side. Two great businesses. They increased their guidance yesterday on both halves. So I think it's a phenomenal story, and that stock should trade towards 200 once the street sees it breaking up.